When we think of the practice of meditation, most people associate this with Eastern philosophies such as Buddhism, Hinduism, yoga, or other Oriental religious traditions. However, meditation was also practiced amongst the ancient Greek and Romans in trying to reach a state known as kenosis, the point of union with the One, the Source, also referred to as the monad. Within the writings of the ancient Greek philosopher Plotinus in the Ennead, he wrote about the process of meditation or contemplation towards no thought and no division within the individual. In fact, meditative practices are present in Christianity, Judaism, and Islam, and has been practiced since antiquity in cultures all around the world. Meditation is now widely practiced in mainstream society and has become increasingly popular as a way to reduce stress, anxiety, promote inner peace, and boost productivity and creativity. Entrepreneur and best-selling author of The 4-Hour Workweek, Tim Ferriss, lists meditation as one of the 3 daily habits that the most accomplished people have in common. So what is meditation? Meditation is a set of techniques to train your body and mind, aimed at encouraging a heightened state of awareness, focused attention, and emotional calmness and positivity. The process is associated with bringing about psychological and neurophysiological modifications. Meditation is not about eliminating your thoughts or feelings. Rather, it is learning to observe them without judgment and hopefully gaining a fresh perspective. The practice enables you to focus on the present moment rather than the past or the future. Scientific studies into the effects of meditation started in the 1950s and has continued to receive significant attention by psychologists, neuroscientists, and other researchers. There is significant evidence demonstrating that meditation beneficially promotes well-being through neurocognitive and psychological effects. On the cognitive aspect, there is well-documented evidence of improvements in working memory, the ability to shut off distractions and redirect focus to a chosen object, and other perceptual abilities. From an emotional perspective, meditation promotes pro-social behavior and emotional regulation, specifically the decrease of emotional interference during performance of a cognitive task. Meditation strengthens the ability of the brain region, known as the lateral prefrontal cortex or assessment center, to overriding knee-jerk responses and fight-or-flight responses of the amygdala and the controlling bodily sensations and gut-level feelings of the insula. Furthermore, meditation helps to improve the assessment sensor's modulation of the medial frontal cortex or me center and decreases brain's tendency to take things personally. The overall effect is you're able to adopt a more rational, logical, and balanced perspective and decrease overthinking or being stuck in a prolonged worry loop. In this way, you use meditation as a way to liberate the mind from attachment of things it cannot control, such as external circumstances or strong internal emotions. More recent research has suggested the role of meditation in promotion of creativity. In terms of health benefits, there is strong evidence of meditation's role in retarding age-related cognitive decline, gaining deeper relaxation, and reduce insomnia, lower blood pressure, reduce toxins in the brain, improve neuron preservation, improve immune system through higher antibody production, and combating of depression and post-traumatic stress disorder. And what does this mean for productivity? In general, meditation works to improve brain fluency, which is around working memory and processing speeds, improve brain organization around planning and prioritizing, brain flexibility around changing perspectives and switching attention, and brain control, which is around self-monitoring and self-regulation. Therefore, you can reduce lack of focus, keep attentive for longer durations by tuning out distractions, work more efficiently, decrease switching costs when moving from task to task, and retain information better while reducing stress and general negativity. The better mental organization allows your mind to resist the urge to do counterproductive things and non-essential activities. Through frequent practice, the habit will strengthen your willpower. Meditation takes many forms, but the 2 broad forms of meditation are focused attention and open awareness or open monitoring of meditation. Focused attention or concentration meditation is where you focus your attention on a single point. For example, this could be your breath, repeating a single word or mantra, focusing on a part of your body, a particular external, physical, or mental object, while ignoring all relevant stimuli. When you notice your mind wandering, you simply refocus your awareness back to the single point of focus. A common example of the focused attention meditation technique centers around the focus on your breath. To do this, sit or lie comfortably. Make no effort to control the breath, simply breathe naturally. Focus your attention on the breath and on how the body moves with each inhalation and exhalation. Notice the movement of your body as you breathe. Observe your chest, shoulders, ribcage, and belly. Simply focus your attention on your breath without controlling its pace or intensity. If your mind wanders, return your focus back to your breath. You can maintain this meditation practice for 2 to 3 minutes to start, and then try it for longer periods. While traditional meditative practices adopted physical postures or asanas such as the lotus position, it is acceptable to simply find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. In contrast, the second form of meditation, called open monitoring meditation, is the technique where you focus your attention on one point but enlarge the attentional focus to all incoming sensations, emotions, perceptions, or thoughts from moment to moment without focusing on any of them. While in this non-reactive state, you become more aware of the human tendency to quickly judge experiences as good or bad. Often you will hear the term meditation and mindfulness used interchangeably. Mindfulness meditation is generally classified as a form of open monitoring meditation. The state of mindfulness is the act of focusing on being in the present and being fully engaged in whatever you're doing in the moment. For example, if you're drinking a hot cup of coffee, mindfulness would be taking in its aroma, warmth, taste, and other sensations while removing the distracting emotion or thought from your mind. Both focused attention and open monitoring meditation techniques can be used to complement each other and mixed in other styles of meditation. Meditation is a skill, and like learning any other skill, you need to exercise it daily to get comfortable and develop the habit. Daily practice will allow you to form alternative neural pathways that can result in the described benefits. Otherwise, your brain can easily revert back to its old habits. One of the hardest things to do is finding time to do nothing and justifying it. However, practicing for 10 to 20 minutes a day can make you more productive and save you time over the long run. Control studies have shown that even participants engaged in a short 5-week mindfulness meditation program started demonstrating visible benefits. So how do you start meditating? Well, there are many apps like Headspace and Calm and online videos that take you through basic meditation exercises. However, before you engage in meditation, it's also important to remember that in rare instances, meditation may also bring to the surface complicated or serious unresolved psychological issues such as resentments, wounds, traumas, etc. that may require additional therapy or support. Attending a reputable meditation class or hiring a professional teacher may be a good option to consider to ensure you are correctly guided and well supported. In summary, meditation is a set of techniques to control your awareness and focus attention. With daily practice, meditation is proven to provide numerous cognitive and emotional benefits and is a useful tool in enhancing productivity. Ultimately, meditation can change how you approach life, your perspectives of yourself, and external events around you, and extend to how you interact with other people. When done right, meditation can make you calmer and more centered.